welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and passing it on is my passion. And one of the areas I love to share is beauty. In this particular video, it's on makeup. So if you guys are interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. In this video, I will be unboxing the Brow Artist Collection by Strokes Beauty Lab. And let me just say, I am very proud because this is a Filipino brand, a Philippine brand by Mr. Momoi Supe. Congratulations! And I've heard a lot of great reviews about this. So in this video, I'll be unboxing this. I'll be swatching all the products and I cannot wait to try them on my brows, my kilay. You know what they say, kilay is life. Kilay is life. And so if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Let's go right ahead with unboxing. Let me just read to you real quick the letter from Mr. Momoi Supe. Hey you, it's the perfect day to be beautiful any day. I am proud to finally introduce you to the products that embody the remarkable brow artistry and precision that Strokes is known for and will now bring to the world. Together, let's rediscover the new on FLEEK and redefine the real price of quality beauty through #BrowtifulAnyDay looks. Thank you for wanting to be part of our journey to global prominence. I love that. I hope you enjoy using the products that you inspired me to create. Everyday confidence starts today. XOXO Momoi Supe. The new era of beauty defined by you. The Brow Artist Collection, your premium brow kit. All right, let us start with the Microblade Pen Perfector. It retails at $498, a bleed-proof and long-wearing brow detailing pen that fills in and defines natural-looking brows. The ultra-fine brush tip creates the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade-worthy effects without the blade. They have two variants, graphite and bronzite. Next is the Brow Colorist. It retails at 358 pesos, a tinting pomade that instantly builds color and volume. Paired with a unique dual-sided brush for varying intensities, this fade-proof, clump-free formula provides the freedom to untame or boldly define the brows. Shade variants, neutral brown, coal black, and lucid white. Up next is the Brow Fixer. It retails at 398 pesos, a strong holding and long-wearing invisible brow gel that instantly shapes and sets hair strands in place for effortless definition. Paired with a custom dual-sided brush that coats brow hairs from root to tip, this formula provides lasting, flake-proof wear in just one sweep. Shade variant, clear. Next up is the Brow Sculptor Duo. It retails at 378 pesos, an easy to apply waterproof microfine brow pencil that combines the benefits of powder, pencil, and wax to effortlessly fill brows. The double-ended component also comes with a spoolie brush to blend and groom brows into place. The 1.4 mm tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows. Shade variants: warm brown, deep brown, soft brown, and ash gray. And last but not the least is the Brow Painter. It retails at 498 pesos, a smudge-proof and long-wearing brow shading pen that fills in and defines natural-looking brows. The translucent formula and sheer finish provide the freedom to define brows without overdoing it. Shade variant: ash brown. Products are also fragrance-free, vegan-friendly, mineral oil-free, cruelty-free, BPA-free, and paraben-free. Now it is time to try the products. First, I am going to use the spoolie from the Brow Sculptor Duo to achieve that natural looking yet full brows. Next, I am going to use the Brow Colorist. I love these little reminders right here. I am important. And next, I am going to use the Microblade Pen Perfector. Ooh, very fine. I don't know if you can see. Wow. Do you see the difference already? Going to use the, what is this? The Brow Fixer. Without. Now let me just finish my makeup. Let me just put a little bit of the Brow Fixer to make it a little bit more like bushy looking. Yay! And I am done. Strokes Beauty Lab, what can I say? I love your products. Things to love: number one, the packaging. The packaging is really nice, very chic, sophisticated. I love that all the important information is written all over the product as well as on the box. And I love that you see empowering words. Here it says, I am important, I am enough, I am strong, I am beautiful. really nice, really empowering, really encouraging. Second is I love that they have different products for the brows that you want to achieve. It says here, remember, different strokes for different folks. I love it. Third, I love that they are fairly priced, and to be honest, for me, they are considered affordable for the quality that you are getting. Fourth, I love that they are readily available online. They are available in Shopee and Lazada. I'll just place the links at the description box. My favorite product? Well, all of them have different functions, and I love that each product actually complements with each other to really create the look that you want. But I would say I am very impressed with the Microblade Pen Perfector because it really mimics your hair. However, if you are not a professional, if you are not a makeup artist, you probably need more practice to really maximize its power. Maximize its power. Once again, congratulations to Strokes Beauty Lab, to Mr. Momoi Supe. Thank you very much for sending this over. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye! Beautiful.